I found this gesso board, 11 by 14 at Hobby Lobby, back in the canvas aisle for $9.99. With 40% off, I paid about $6. And I received this beautiful tissue paper from Recycled Treasures. I will provide a link with all her beautiful patterns. And this is tissue paper. It's a little thicker than normal tissue paper, but it is very durable and just beautiful prints. She has so many to choose from. I will provide a link. So I cut it to size to fit my board. And I'm going to apply it using Decoupage method with my Wise Owl varnish in matte. And I'm using a Gen foam brush. I'm applying the varnish all over the board quite generously. And then I'm going to lay down my image. Now, once your image is down, you want to take some saran paper, and this just keeps you from tearing your image, as your fingers can be a little rough straight on the paper. So the saran wrap just gives a barrier. I am applying the varnish all over the board on top of my image at this point, and I'm going to set it aside to dry. Now, I found this beautiful intricate frame at Michael's. They are now on clearance for $2.50. Great buy, and it fit my board perfectly. I am painting it with Wise Owl, Robin's Egg, using a Klingon brush. I like my Klingon brushes for this particular project because their bristles are a little bit longer, and it helped me get down into all the grooves and detail. And once that was done and dried, I'm applying my clear salve from Wise Owl using my 2-inch palm brush. And while it's still wet, I'm taking some bronze glaze by Wise Owl and a chip brush, and I am applying it all over my frame. This just gives it a very vintage look. Came out beautiful. I was very happy with the results on that. Now, once my board was dry, I took some sandpaper and ran it down the edges, and it just makes a perfect cut to fit your board and get all the excess tissue paper off. I went over my paper very lightly with sandpaper, not too rough, you don't want to tear it. And now I'm applying the Wise Owl Clear Salve to the top of my board, my image, using my 2-inch palm brush. And now I'm adding that bronze glaze again from Wise Owl all over the front image, and then wiping it back and just giving it kind of a tea-stained look, a little bit of an aged look. So because my board fit the frame so perfect, I had to build out the sides with these little pieces of wood to have the frame be a little bit more secure on a little bit larger surface. So I had glued them the day before. And I'm taking some Elmer's wood glue and my glue bot and applying the glue to my little build outs and just the tip of the image board, just right around the edge, and placing my frame down. And I did lay a heavy weight on it overnight. Thank you so much for watching. All paint products can be found on chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.